There are 4 stages that have to be passed before they can become what they claim, or better still, hope to be. Those stages are: 1, the passion or desire stage. Because you have to desire and have immense passion for whatever skill, profession, and or art form that you want to go into. If not, what's the point? Then secondly, you have the commitment stage. This is when you declare your interests and begin your journey of whatever field it is you had passion for. For the carpenter, he goes to an actual carpenter and declares his interests. For the lawyer, he writes an exam that grants him admission into a university to study law. For you, the chorister, you go to a music school, a choir, or a music trainer and declare your interests to become a chorister. This is usually the stage that many people qualify themselves as choristers and end their journey.